के लिए खूब खूब धन्यवाद. Actually, I can get the मतलब excellent in lecture, but जब speech देना तो मुझे इतना नहीं आता. तो आज मैंने थोड़ा it is special occasion for me and everyone who was sitting here. तो थोड़ा मैंने स्टेज प्रिपेयर भी किया है, तो I will read out and I will speak something. Because this journey is almost about 6.5 years. Okay? That is divided into two parts. First inning and second innings. In me and Dr. Sarvanand, उसमें हमारे दोनों में एक कॉमन चीज है. उन्होंने भी 2 बार ज्वाइन किया, मैंने भी 2 बार ज्वाइन किया. So respected seniors, colleagues, and all the dear students, thank you everything which I will receive from the games, from the students. At this moment, I am having a mixed feeling and also having a such kind of the feeling. And life में बहुत अच्छा occasion एवा होय છે કે જ્યારે તમને આ બંને feeling mix હોય એવા बहुत अच्छा occasion હોય છે. It is very rare. Okay? So in the only few circumstances you will feel मतलब एक living and joining का feeling. Okay? At this time, the brain and heart is work as agonist and antagonist at the same time. Okay? But always in the life, एक ही जगह होए तो, I mean, if you want to progress, तो आपको move तो होना ही पड़ेगा. Even if you are also after completion of the 4.5 years, you will be going for the internship. Once you finish the internship, going for the NEET PG. फिर NEET PG में भी अलग जगह पे एडमिशन लेकर आप भी जाओगे ना. Somewhere in the BGMC, somewhere in the JMRS, maybe in the AIMS, or out of country also. So this is a part of the life that we have to accept. I have joined this institute on the 1st July 2013. Imran, that is the 2013-14 batch of the games. That is, I think, 5th batch of the games. Okay, that is the first batch of my career. Okay, I have worked in the different management, because in the 6 years there are 3 management change in the games. Okay, and I have worked under the 4 or 5 different HODs. Okay, and sometimes I also act as a HOD for 2.5 years. Okay, so it is a very good experience here in the games. Games માં ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ એવી છે કે જે બીજા કોલેજોમાં નથી, even ગવર્નમેન્ટમાં પણ નથી. I am talking about the good thing. See, every institute has a advantage and disadvantage. As a human being, આપણે પણ આપણામાં પણ પ્લસ માઇનસ હોય, તમારામાં પણ હોય, બધામાં હોય. Okay, but always you set the positive thoughts or positive points for સારી વસ્તુ લેવાની. In short, કહેવાનો મતલબ એ છે. I have joined this institute on the 1st July 2013 and first inning चली मेरी 19 August 2019 तक. That is almost 6 years. Okay, then I was selected in the library AIMS. Then because of the AIMS, so I tried for that. Okay, but somehow I couldn't continue. So again I request the games management, they accept my request, and again I have joined here. Okay, and the second inning is only from the 3 or 3.5 months. That is from the 23rd August to 9th August. That is the next Monday is my last day. Okay, on Tuesday, that is the 10th December, I will join the GMS Vadnala. So that is the difference between the, I think, library and Vadnala no difference કેટલો હતો કે સોનિયા ગાંધી અને નરેન્દ્ર મોદીનો difference હોય એટલો. Okay, that is the on the lighter part. That is not our concern. Our concern is always doing the good thing and always receive the good thing. Okay. આમ પણ જો ટેસ્ટ મેચમાં પણ જો તમે ઓન એવરેજ કાઢશો તો ફર્સ્ટ ઇનિંગ્સ તો વધારે જ હોય, 40 હોય. સેકન્ડ ઇનિંગ્સમાં ઓછી જરૂર પડી હોય. ઇઝન્ટ ઇટ? બીકોઝ સેકન્ડ ઇનિંગ્સમાં જરા બહુ બધા ફેક્ટર આવી જાય. કયા તો પીચ બગડી ગઈ હોય, ટર્ન બોલ ટર્ન થવા માંડે. બરાબર ને? So there are so many factors, and sometimes the most important thing, સામે સ્કોર જ ના હોય. સ્કોર હોય તો તમે સેકન્ડ ઇનિંગ્સ રમો ને, અધરવાઇઝ ઇનિંગ્સ હારી જાય, બાંગ્લાદેશ જેવા. So this is part and parcel of the life that we have to accept, અને તમારો પણ આગળ ભવિષ્યમાં કેરિયરમાં પણ તમને પણ આવું લિવિંગ જોઈનિંગ હશે. So okay, also Dr. Dinesh Sharma is closest to my heart, my my best friend in the games. Of course, we are always together 24/7. કાં ફિઝિકલી પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય કાં એકબીજા મળ્યા ના હોય બપોર પછી તો પણ ફોન પર વાત થઈ જ જાય અમારે. Okay? And also we have very good experience in the department. We have established in very good manners. Okay? And now the madam and sir will take further. And Bhumi is the first our resident, first PG resident in the non-clinical, I think in the physiology. Okay, nowadays other physiology man भी बहुत सारे हैं, but we are lucky. Our Jain physiology department is lucky to have the resident like the Dr. Bhumi. And with this, it will be completed as per the guidelines. We have also technician, we have Nandanbhai attendant तो since beginning છે. वो कॉलेज में लगभग हमारे 11वीं बैच है ना, तो this is the 11th year of the games. Okay, and कोई पण स्टूडेंट ने डेवलप करता 10 वर्ष तो लागे. And now our institute is the PG institute. Okay, in almost all the branches. I think clinical में बड़ी ब्रांच में से except psychiatry. Otherwise, in all the branch we got the specialty, and they are planning to add on the seat in the specialty branch, and also they are planning to do the super specialty. So it is a growing. Okay. So maybe after 5 years, 6 years, we have a super specialty also. So that is very good part. So ultimately, the people of the Kutch will be benefited. Okay. The most important thing about the Bhuj is the weather, living condition. Okay. રહેવાની બહુ મજા આવે ભુજમાં. That is the beauty of the Bhuj or Kutch. Okay. That we also always miss. જે બહારથી લોકો આવતા છે એને ખબર જ હશે. ભુજમાં રહેવાની કેટલી મજા આવે છે. We are also thankful to the games community, our seniors and our colleagues to giving the opportunity to serve here almost 6.5 years. That is quite a long time. And also making me eligible in both central and state government. હવે આપણો ટોટલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ થઈ ગયો છે કારણ કે મેં રેસિડેન્સી કર્યું ઇન I have studied in the private college, pure private college, that is CUSA Medical College, and I have worked in the pure government, that is PTU Government Medical College for the 2 years, tutor in pharmacology, so that is pure government atmosphere. Then I have joined the residency in the municipal corporation, so એનો પણ experience થઈ ગયો, that is in BS Hospital. Then I have joined this institute, that is based on the public-private partnership, and also it is a corporate, because that is a corporate company. So થોડું બધું mix હતું, public-private partnership along with the corporate culture. Okay? So એનો પણ અનુભવ થઈ ગયો. AIMS, that is the central government, એમાં કામ તો નથી કર્યું પણ somehow થોડો આઈડિયા મળી ગયો. And now we are going to the GMS, that is a government-run society. It is almost government, but is run by the, it's a society, but is run by the government. So in the 35 years age, in the Monali age kehvay. Okay, if you talking about the professional career, that is the beginning. Okay? So in the this much year, I got a lot of experience, and I have learned a lot of things. Okay? Always remember, always learn from the sun. Learn something from everyone. લાઈફમાં આગળ જાય બરાબર. બાકી એવરી ટાઈમ આપણે બીજાના પ્રોબ્લેમ શોધીએ એવું કરીએ તો એમ જ રહીએ બરાબર છે. એન્ડ ઓલવેઝ રિમેમ્બર કે નેસેસિટી ઇઝ ધ મધર ઓફ ઇન્વેન્શન. કંઈક નેસેસિટી હોય તો જ ઇન્વેન્શન થાય, બાકી કંઈ મોબાઈલની જરૂર જ ના પડે તો બધું ઇન્વેન્શન ક્યાં થવાનું, બધા એમને એમ ચાલુ જતું હોય. સો ઓલવેઝ લુકિંગ ધ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો જસ્ટ ટેક એઝ અ ચેલેન્જ and a challenge that fulfill God. Okay? Don't be demotivated. Okay? Always keep inspiring and be an inspired. That is the most important thing. Okay? Otherwise, all you have is tremendous capability and ability. Okay? ખાલી એને પ્રોપર જગ્યાએ મૂકવાની ને પ્રોપર એફર્ટ નો કરવાનું છે, વસ્તુ એટલી જ છે. અધરવાઇઝ જે ટેરરિસ્ટ હોય છે એ લોકો પણ બહુ ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ જ હોય છે, પણ એમની એનર્જી એમની ઇન્ટેલિજન્સી બીજી જગ્યાએ વાપરે છે. ધેટ્સ વાય વી આર સફરિંગ. And we are also thankful to our senior students. Okay, they always with us in various activities, specifically in the National Medical Organization. Okay, and then તમારે પણ એ બધું આગળ વધારવાનું છે. Because in first year માં NMO તમને બહુ એટલા બધા પ્રયત્ન નથી કર્યા. Only one function, that is a welcome program by the NMO. Okay, સેકન્ડ યર ઓનવર્ડ તમારે એમએમઓ પાર્ટિસિપેટ કરવાનું છે. ધેટ ઇઝ વેરી સોશિયલ એક્ટિવિટી લાઈક કોઈ કેમ્પ હોય, કોઈ ઇન્ટિરિયરમાં બ્લડ મતલબ વિલેજમાં ને ત્યાં હેલ્થ ચેકઅપ હોય તો યુ કેન કન્ટ્રીબ્યુટ ઇન યોર કેપેસિટી. So next Monday, there is 7 December. I think this is the 9th December. 9th December. That is my last day in the games. So at the end, વધારે તો આપણે લેક્ચર નથી લેવાનું. Okay. So at the end, I will say the success of the student and satisfaction of the mind. It is the only reward for me. બીજું આપણે કશું જોઈતું નથી તમારે. And Dr. Amit rightly said, उसने मुझे बोला है तो I will start my YouTube channel and I am taking the review about the JMS Medical College कि क्या શું સિસ્ટમ થઈ છે, શું બાકી છે ચલાવવાનું. તો I mostly continue with the RS or CDS maybe. Okay, so mostly I will continue with the CDS. But definitely I will upload the lecture. Actually YouTube channel તો બનાવી છે, just channel છે, એમાં કંઈ મૂકેલો નથી. Because what I feel, I always, मैं कभी स्टेज पे बोलने वाला या परफॉर्म करने वाला इंसान नहीं हूँ. I always work from the best stage. Okay, and so I always used to upload the PPT and PowerPoint and PDF and everything. Okay, rather than speaking. So always believe in the words rather than act. So this is from my side. Okay. Again, thank you so much everyone. Thank you everything. And because to produce getting water, that is a batch 2017-18. Reason is very clear. That 17-18 is purely headed by me. Okay, so we have interaction more of course. Okay, and that is the reason. So we have initiated the very good activity. That is a video seminar, and the students are going into the interior और जहाँ से भी उसको केस मिला वहाँ से उसको मतलब improper way में. That is very good activity and not yes we have seen. Okay? So in that way 17-18 में हमने काफी कुछ मतलब सब्जेक्ट में या डिपार्टमेंट में जो भी हमारी तरफ से जो भी बेस्ट कर सकते थे वो हमने. तो मेरा बेस्ट जो दिया था मैंने, दैट इज इन 2017-18. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, अदरवाइज होल गेम्स इज माय फेवरेट एंड इट विल रिमेन फेवरेट. सो एट द लास्ट जस्ट बी अ गुड डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर तो બધા બનવાના છો પણ સારા ડોક્ટર બનો અને સારા વ્યક્તિ બનો. दिस ओनली विश. ओके, और मिलते रहेंगे. ठीक है, and never say goodbye. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. મારા તરફથી બધામાં આપણે જે જઈલો છે ખબર હશે. I think in the on the સંવત્સરી વિછામી દોડમ ક્યારે કહો છો? हाँ तो विछामी दौड़ा मतलब कोई ने पण जाने अनजाने में कहीं भी किसी को हर्ट हुआ हो, फीलिंग मतलब ऐसा लगा हो तो इट इज द एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फ्रॉम माय साइड. ओके, અને આપણા મનમાં કશું નથી. કઈ પણ કીધું હશે તો ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ માટે કીધું હશે, તમારા સારા માટે કીધું હશે, તો કોઈના ભલા માટે કીધું હશે. ઓકે, so thank you very much and વિછામી દોડા.